Meaning of debt.
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 Debt. Debt refers to an amount of money borrowed by one party from another, usually with the promise of paying it back with interest. When a person or organization incurs debt, they essentially owe money to the lender and must make regular payments until the debt is fully repaid. Failure to make timely payments can result in penalties, fines, and damage to credit scores. In extreme cases, lenders may take legal action to recover the owed funds or seize assets as collateral. Overall, debt represents a financial obligation that can have significant consequences for individuals and institutions alike.